Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be sharing a recipe for a brown stew fish, Jamaican style, Toya's Kitchen edition. Let's get started. Here I have 2 snapper already washed and cleaned in lemon juice. I have some Old Bay, fish seasoned salt and black pepper. I have some thyme, scotch bonnet peppers, carrots, tomatoes, garlic, onions, scallion, and a mixture of bell peppers. Feel free to add any other veggies that you like. So here I'm just going to go ahead and make a few slits in my fish on each sides. Now this is to make sure that the seasoning goes throughout the fish. You want to get the fish seasoned all the way through and tastes really good. So after adding the slits, I'm just going to go ahead and combine my seasoning. And I said before, fish does not really need a lot of seasoning, so the less the better, because you don't want to overpower your fish with a lot of seasoning. So you want to use mild seasoning here. As I said before, feel free to add whatever you like to yours. So I'm just going to go ahead and massage the fish inside the guts and in the little incision that I made, and I'm just going to allow this to sit for maybe 10 minutes because fish does not take a long time to marinate. And yeah, that's just it for marinating. Quick, simple, and easy. Now I'm just going to set these aside for a bit. So here in my cast iron skillet, I have some vegetable oil heating up, and to this I'm going to add a large clove of garlic, and I'm going to fry my fish. Of course, if you want, you could add some scotch bonnet peppers, but hey, my fish is going to be flavorful just the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and fry these up. Now once you place the fish in the oil, you don't want to move it around. You want to let it sit on one side until it creates a crust, because if it doesn't create a crust, your fish is going to break apart, because fish is a rather delicate and tender protein. So you just want to allow it to sit for about 5 minutes until you get a crust on the side before you flip it, because if you flip it too early, you might break your fish and it will not look presentable. So you want to take your time with this one, and once it fries completely through, even though it's going to cook down in the sauce, you want to remove it and then continue on with the next step. I didn't use the same pan because it has too much oil, and this cast iron pan is heavy. So in another pot, I'm just going to go in with some of that same oil that I fry my fish in, and I'm going to add my veggies and saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding some more seasoning and flavoring. Now this is what it's looking like for after about 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing. I lost the clip where I had the soy sauce, but I went in with some soy sauce. Now I'm just going to go in with some browning, and of course I will leave a measurement down below or a list of all the ingredients that I use, but you could make it your own. You don't have to add the amount that I add. So I'm just going to go in with some water, give it a good mix. Add a little bit more seasoning to flavor. You want to taste as you go along, so you don't want to over salt your dish. And I'm going to go in with some sweet soy sauce just to balance out, and a little bit of ketchup. Give it a good mix and allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes, and allow all the flavors to come together and become a unified, tasty and delicious pot of goodness. After about 5 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and add my fish, because we don't want to overcook the fish at this point. So you just want to go in and baste the fish with that brown stew sauce for about 3 to 5 minutes, and that's basically it. The fish is ready. No long cooking time, and your fish is ready, because you don't want to overcook the fish. And let me tell you guys, this was really good. It tasted amazing. Now guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscription button, hit the like button. It really helps out my channel a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll truly get back to you. I will really and truly get back to you. Now that's it, my beautiful people. I served this up with some dumpling and yam, and let me tell you, the only thing was missing was a piece of avocado if I had it, but hey, I didn't have it. But nonetheless, this was absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye now.